Maanshan Jiali Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited, JialiPRESS, has been a 30-year manufacturer of sheet metal forming equipment with 30 minutes drive to Nanjing South Railway Station and Nanjing Lukou Airport and fast transportation to Shanghai Port. Starting up in 1996, JialiPRESS was founded in 2009, engaged in the manufacturing of press brakes and shears, and since 2023 has upgraded to electric servo press brakes and panel bending centers. With advanced facilities and SOP imported from Europe, JialiPRESS has an annual production capacity of 800 sets. Our bending machine products boast beautiful outlines, exquisite craftsmanship, and outstanding performances. To date, we have gained over 20 patents on invention or designs.